New day, fresh start. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all, it is currently lunchtime. So, I just came back from the store. The girls want some hamburgers. So, I made the girls some burgers. They wanted some burgers for lunch. Y'all, these square patties I got from Walmart. Walmart got the square patties now. Jordan wanted her a double burger. So why go to Wendy's when you can make your own? What y'all doing today? Y'all can't tell me that ain't no Wendy's burger made at home. It look just like a Wendy's burger. Yeah, I know I had to go get my drill because I don't have time to be fooling with them little wrenches that they give you. Nope, sure don't. Sure don't. See how this chair. Yes. Now, it's a little small, but it's gonna do for right now until I get one a little better. And definitely it's better than that little bench right there, child. That'll hurt somebody's back for real. Especially when you ain't got back support. There we go. Got that done. Ooh, child. That was a lot of work. There you go. Got the chair. The chair is done. And it's complete. Oh my goodness. It'll work for right now. Take this back. Put this back in their room. Cause sitting on that thing is hard. Ooh, child. My back hurting. Like I feel the crack. Who is it and what do you want? Hello?
Can't pick you up yesterday, but girl, I was tired, honey.
Mm-hmm.
I said, shit, you probably said, where I'm at? Yeah, I was tired. I went to bed.
I wasn't asking where you was.
You weren't trying to go, but we still gotta go over there. But it probably won't be today, though.
Oh, okay.
What you doing?
Child, just put this little chair together.
For what? Your computer?
Yeah.
What?
Yes, girl.
Oh, his old black ass hold the door for one lady, then go walk his stinking ass in. I guess this mama ain't teaching him no damn manners.
I guess not.
I can't stand when men do that. Like, you go and then start complaining about your damn shoulder. Your damn...
It did what? It did what now?
He up here complaining about his damn fucking shoulder and shit. He don't hold the door for one person, but then don't hold the door for another person. He holds for he held it for an elder lady, but didn't hold the door for me.
Just because you ain't elderly, you can hold your own door.
You ain't been raised by me. Because regardless, a man was supposed to let a woman go through the door whether you elderly or not.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Raised by my daddy and my uncles and any man that see me, whether they older or younger, they stop and let me go in. And they let me go in. I don't know if they don't stop for you, maybe because you like a man.
Yeah.
They
They hold the door for me. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
That's probably it's probably because you light skinned. It's probably because you light skinned. They don't hold the door for light skinned girl.